Yeah.
Nathan, you have been putting out an incredible amount of content, right? So what is it, when you hear about omnipresent, does it feel overwhelming to you, or can you categorize that in your brain? Or
it can be overwhelming at times because you see other people and you say, wow, they're on every social media platform, or they're on different video platforms, and you want to do the same thing because they have a certain level of success. But really, I feel that being omnipresent is a way to figure out what works for you. So you would first, of course, be on as many mediums as you can, but somewhere or another, or somewhere between the lines, you'll find that, okay, I noticed my videos are more successful on, Facebook. My live videos are more successful maybe on Instagram stories. Or that's really what I did. I've been putting content out there, what's resonating more. Okay. At first, I didn't have an audio podcast. Okay. I said, I'm gonna do a video podcast because it's different. Nobody does it, it's a lot of work, and that'll differentiate me. That was my thought and my thinking. So I did that, and then people started saying, where's the audio podcast? Okay. I was like, oh, well, since you asked for it, let me turn it into an audio podcast. So really,
here's the video, and then you just take the audio feed, and that is your podcast? Or is it a whole different show?
Yeah, it's really just taking the audio from the video. But so I've had to train my mind to, when I'm doing a video, to speak in a certain way that is also applicable to audio as well. At first, I was just talking. I'll say, on your screen you'll see, but I'm like, I can't do that with specifically audio. So I started being more descriptive if I was doing a screencast or something. So. But being omnipresent is a path to find out what specifically works for you. At least that's what I've seen.